Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I'm in the website ChatGPT, right? And I'm on the paid version, okay? Because it says plus, right? Now, what I want to share with you is how you can take your original photo, which this is my original photo of me, and you can make different poses with your own photo. So this is my original photo, right? Now, it was a little dark, so what I asked ChatGPT to do, I just said, make the picture brighter. Make me look straight at the camera. So this is the original, just a little dark. And then this is the results when it made the picture a little brighter and it made me look straight at the camera. Also, what you can do, you know how you see on YouTube, people have all these nice pose images. You don't necessarily have to take the photos over and over and over again yourself. You can let ChatGPT also do it for you, right? So that's that image, right? That I said, make it look more straight at the camera. Although the head is still slightly tilted, but it did make me look a little more straight. It made my head up a little more straighter. And then, I did say redo the image, make my lips look regular, because in this photo, I'm like kind of like blowing a little kiss. So I just wanted my lips to look a little more straight. So this is what it did. And then as you go here, I said redo the image, make me smile. This is what it made me look like when I smile. Redo the image, make me look up and touch the chin like I'm thinking. Here we go. Now, the only thing, sometimes it'll change your clothes up a little bit, when you are using ChatGPT or other AI tools, right? But this is my original photo. It's no photo of anyone else. It's me. And then I might say, redo the image. Do a side view profile. So this is what it did. Now, my shirt is it's plaid on both sides, so it just made the left side of me just completely non-plaid, just burgundy or maroon, right? But that's okay. Then I said redo the image with a serious face, pointing my index finger at the screen. So this is what it gave me. And I think that's cool that you don't have to take all these pictures yourself, because if I wanted these images, I would have had to take each and every photo each time, which ChatGPT saved me time, because all I do is type in what I want it to do, and this is what it will do. So you can just go ahead on and you can say, give me an idea how to create more styles of this image. And when I say of this image, I'm talking about this one, right? Well, you can say this one because I had to brighten it. It was just a little too dark. So I said, give me more styles for this image, right? Like, give me an idea. So it says, this is actually a great branding idea for Tasha's Avenue. So as you all know, I changed the channel name. And because I'm no longer going to be putting dolls onto the channel, nothing about dolls. I left a link in my bio on this channel right here, Tasha's Avenue. And you can go to Dolls of Dynasty. That is where I will be posting any doll content when I get ready to. But right now, I am not doing doll content. I have to build up this channel. I'm rebranding it, right? So it says, instead of using the same pose every time, which that's boring for your photos, right? Especially for your thumbnails, you know that YouTube don't like that. So it says, so instead of using the same pose every time, you can create a collection of host poses that become recognizable across your thumbnails and channel art. So it gave me some ideas and I wanted to share it with you guys. And it says, here are some ideas. Number one, it says the you pose, right? Serious face, pointing directly at the camera. Message, I'm talking to you, right? Then number two, the thinker, hand on the chin, looking up. Message, let's figure this out, right? Number 3, the welcome pose. The big smile, both arms open, message. Welcome to Tasha's Avenue. And number 4, the wave. Waving with one hand, which I didn't do that photo yet, but I will. Waving with one hand, message, friendly introduction. Number 5, the teaching pose. The index finger raised, message. Here's an important tip, right? Number 6, the shock pose. Eyes wide, hands on cheeks, perfect for maybe new doll alert, but no new doll alert on this channel. Any new doll alert will be on Dolls of Dynasty, okay? Or for breaking news, huge announcement. Number 7, heart hands. Hands making a heart, perfect for thank you videos and subscriber milestones. Number 8, presenting pose. One arm extended as if introducing something perfect for AI creations and product reviews. No new dolls. Excuse me, I will not do dolls on this channel anymore. So anything with dolls will be on Dolls of Dynasty. And once again, I linked it in the bio of this channel, okay? Number 9, pose. Finger over lips. Great for secrets, sneak peeks, and upcoming. I don't have upcoming episodes, okay? Number 10, excited point. Pointing off to the side while smiling. Leave empty space where you can add text and logos, right? Number 11, hands on hips. Confident, smiling. Perfect for channel branding, right? Number 12, holding the tablet. Looking at the camera while holding the tablet with your logo or no doll image. I don't know. Come on, ChatGPT. I already told you no doll stuff on Tasha's Avenue. Okay. Number 13, dreaming. Looking upward with sparkles around you. Perfect for AI creativity and imagination. Number 14, director pose. Holding a movie clapperboard. Perfect for no doll stories. Behind the scenes movie style episode. So this right here will be nice for Dolls of Dynasty, not for Tasha's Avenue. Okay? So what we could do is I can go ahead on and try to start creating some more of these images, which I already did, right? So let's do one. Let's do this one right here where it says dreaming, looking upward with sparkles around you. So all I do is I snatch one of my images, right? The photo of myself. I go to downloads and I go find it. I just go back to the original photo of me, which is this one, right? I'll take that one, highlight it, hit open. And then we will do the one that says dreaming, right? So I'll say redo the image. Looking upward with sparkles around you. And I'll just hit that arrow and let's see what kind of image it will give me. So it says analyzing image. So give it time to do what it needs to do. So listen, guys, I know a lot of y'all don't like AI. A lot of people is so against it, and I'm not against it at all. I'm not really going to let people change up my own creativity, but this channel is no longer going to be about dolls. This channel is going to be about helping people, okay? Beneficial things that can help you and I. That's what this channel is going to be about. When I want to do doll content, I will gladly open up Dolls of Dynasty channel and I will make videos over there. Now, I will leave all the doll content here still. I'm not going to remove it or anything like that. What's the sense of doing that? Because I got a lot of history here. So people that love doll content, just go look at the doll content on this channel. Dolls of Dynasty don't have no new videos yet. Not yet. Okay? But it will. And I will let you know. If you follow me, go to my post, my community post on my YouTube channel, which is here on Tasha's Avenue. Now, if I can create community posts on Dolls of Dynasty, I will do that. So, when I said redo the image looking upward with sparkles around you, here's the image. Okay, so this is cool and fun, and it saves you a lot of time. So just know that AI will save you a lot of time. Now, imagine me trying to take all these pictures, and you know when you take pictures with your phone, the lighting gets crazy, everything looks different. So this is the beauty of how AI will step in. It's a tool. It's not replacing you. It will step in and help you enhance your work. Why would you want to enhance your work? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this because I love it. It's a beautiful photo. Download it. And I will send it to my folder on my computer, right? So first, I have to open up downloads. I'll go here, downloads. I'll go highlight this photo, right click, hit copy, I'll close this down, and I'll go back to my desktop where it says Tasha's Avenue, and I'll put all my photos in here. Now, the beauty of this, all these photos that I have of myself, these are nice but thumbnails, but they're different, right? They're positioned different. They have different personalities. So that's the beauty of that, right? So let's go back to where we was while I was showing you. So yeah, so I'm going to continue making more like this, but I just wanted to show you a tip. If you are making videos and you are tired of taking so many pictures of, like, if you are the brand of your channel, because now I'm going to be the brand. You're going to see my face. I'm going to be the brand of Tasha's Avenue, no longer the dolls. If the dolls is your interest, then go to Dolls of Dynasty. If you fall upon this channel and you like it and you fell in love with it because you had like the doll content, there's still all the playlists with all the doll videos, doll shows, doll reviews, doll episodes, all that type of stuff. It will remain on the channel. I will not move it. Okay, guys, so as you can see, these are the images that ChatGPT created for me. So these are nice to use for my thumbnails for my YouTube videos, right? And these are my pictures, and you ask it to create different poses for you, and this is what it does for you. And I think that's super cool. It saves a lot of time. I don't have to sit there and take a ton of photos just to get a different type of pose on my YouTube thumbnails, okay? So I really love this, and this is the tip for today, you know what I'm saying? These are super cool, and I'm enjoying it, and this might be useful for somebody. And always remember, stay prayerful. Always stay prayerful, and God will answer you, okay? So I'm signing off. Thank you.